up, guys? All good? My name is Henry. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Teds Woodworking before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Teds Woodworking works. What is included in Teds Woodworking? The Teds Woodworking Package includes the Teds Woodworking Book with 16,000 plans, and all these plans come with step-by-step illustrations. They are designed in such a simple way that even people who don't know anything or are beginners will understand them perfectly and do them. And I also don't need state-of-the-art tools to make any of these plans. You can use the simple tools you have today without any problems. DWG CAD Plan Viewer. The best part about this learning platform is that it offers a free DWG and CAD Plan Viewer. It's software that allows you to create your own woodworking plans and modify them. If you only want the software, it would cost you $100 separately, but it is included in Teds Woodworking for free when you purchase it. How to start a woodworking business from home. Teaches you that you need to be a total beginner to start and become a successful professional joiner in your home. A list of 150 premium videos. You get a complete carpentry course with 150 exclusive step-by-step videos, even for beginners, that will help you become a professional carpenter. You can choose the DVD if you want, and you don't need to renew it from time to time to keep having access. Complete woodworking guides. Now, along with the videos, there's a bonus guide for you. These 200-page guides will help you follow the videos and make the learning process easier. Also, you will learn many tips and tricks from these guides. So, it's great if you are a novice carpenter. Along with the guides you can also access a complete list of the necessary tools to become a professional woodcutter. What and how many project plans are in Teds Woodworking? Teds Woodworking contains every possible project you can think of and will most likely have what you're thinking of too. Your money-back guarantee for 2 months. Teds Woodworking has a 60-day guarantee. That is, if in 2 months you feel that Teds Woodworking is not for you, you can redeem 100% of your money back, no paperwork or questions asked. You lose nothing. You only win.